Hey guys, so today's December 27th and the time is 1:32 and we are ready to start the kitchen renovations. But before we actually start, we have to move the plumbing because we're moving the wash machine and dryer to the other part of the house, and I will give you a quick look to see exactly what our plans are. But we already have our counters, our cabinets, and our flooring for the kitchen. But continue watching so you can see our plans. So right now we're in the kitchen. It is a mess. It's a Thursday, no judgment needed. So these are our old cabinets. Well, our current cabinets. And I'll show you our new cabinets in a minute, but they're from 1986 when the house was built. And these countertops are also the originals. But I'm gonna walk you to our laundry room. And this is it. And we're moving this. And I'll show you where we're moving it. But this laundry area is gonna come out. And then we're gonna move this whole wall back. And we're also gonna take this wall out so it can be more of an open floor plan. And I will show you where we're gonna put the wash machine and dryer. Excuse the mess, we're working out of this space. So this is like a Jonathan's office slash like extra room. And we're gonna put the wash machine and dryer here. Jonathan already cut into the drywall, and I'm sure he can explain more of the plans than I can, but this is where the wash machine and dryer are gonna go. I can show you our new cabinets and the setup. So we're gonna use that one, that one, that one, and that one. And then this is our island. And that's why we're moving that space. That's why we're having to take over that laundry room, because we do have an island. And this is it. And I can't freaking wait. So like when you walk in the kitchen, we're getting a new table, or I think we're gonna build it. But a rectangle table here. The island's gonna go here. All these cabinets are coming out on this wall, and it's gonna be a 4-panel slider. And so it'll be refrigerator, cabinet, cabinet, this part right here, cabinet, cabinet. This is gonna be gone. Remember, this is gonna be pushed back, that area, and then pantry. But when you walk in, like from the living room, that wall will be gone. It's gonna be so freaking cute. So as you can see, we already already put the new box in. That's what it's called? Just a box?
Huh?
Is it just called a box?
Yep.
Okay. And then we have that piping.
Shh.
Oh, my bad, playa.
Wait, why this ain't working? Show y'all a tip.
2 holes done.
Sewer gas. You smell the drain. You know how nasty it is when you smell.
Yeah.
So water stays and then it stays clogged up. That's why the toilet actually stays with water in it. How do you think that happens? It's because if you look in the back of it, it's got that neck that goes kind of like that.
And it's the PEX. Is it called PEX system?
It's just
or
PEX
just
tubing.
PEX tubing. Oh, okay.
And this one's just gonna go straight, of course.
Mm-hmm. And the PEX tubing will come from here and go down there and under the house.
Yep. Should fit just perfect. And I gotta go into the house and run it all the way from the manifold and just plug them onto here.
Yeah.
And I won't do it all the way.
Right.
And clip it. Obviously with my longer pieces.
Mm-hmm.
So good. Basically we all set.
Yeah.
Until I can get into the house.
Right. And obviously not today. It's pouring raining. So.
And I need to glue all that together, but I don't want to do that if I can't get into the house and glue it.
Oh, I see.
And just in case I do want to change something.
Yeah.
So. All right.
But the first step is done.